In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're new to Google Sites, you're in the right place. We'll walk through step by step everything you need to know to effectively format your text, ensuring your site looks professional and well organized. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open up Google Sites. To do this, simply head over to your web browser and type in sites.google.com. Once you land on the home page, you'll see your list of available sites if you've previously created any. Now, if you haven't created a site yet, you'll want to do that first. But for those of you who already have a site, go ahead and click on it to open. Once your site is open, the next step is to add a text box. You'll see various options to customize your site, but for now, let's focus on the basics. You'll spot a small text box button, usually located on the right-hand side of your screen. Give that a click, and a blank text box will appear on your site. Now it's time to add your content. Click inside the text box and simply start typing your words. This is where you'll insert all the text you want to showcase on your site. Don't worry about it looking perfect at this point. We'll clean it up in just a second. With your text now typed in, let's move on to formatting it. To change the format of the text, first, click to highlight the specific text you want to modify. You'll see a toolbar appear with multiple options. You can change the font size, bold your text, italicize it, or even change the font itself. It's all about what fits your style and the message you're trying to convey. Take your time to explore these options to discover what looks best. Once you're satisfied with the way your text looks, there's one last important step to cover: publishing your changes. Head to the top right corner of the page and click on Publish. This step is crucial because it saves all the edits and changes you've just made, allowing them to be displayed on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted text on Google Sites. It's as simple as that. With these easy steps, your site will not only convey the message effectively, but also look clean and visually appealing. Keep practicing, and soon enough, customizing your Google Sites text will be second nature. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on how to master Google Sites and beyond.